So this is question number 169 from NEET 2018 examination, and question says that bond dissociation energy of x2, y2 and xy, that means bond energy of x2, y2 and xy are in the ratio of 1, half and 1. Okay, and they have also told you that the formation, heat of formation for the compound xy from x2 and y2 is minus 200 kilojoules per mole. Okay, bond dissociation energy of x2 what is something that has been asked. Okay, so if you just simply write the reaction, what is the reaction here? You have x2 plus y2 giving you xy. Okay, and the data that has been given is in per mole. So what I will do is I will make only 1 mole of the product and write here half and half. Okay, so fair enough. Now what I want to do is, since bond energy, bond dissociation energy, simply bond energy of XX bond of XX, that means X2 molecule is, let's say, X. Okay, let's assume that it is X kilojoules per mole. Then bond, okay, in kilojoules per mole, I am taking the start data. Now next is bond energy of Y2 will be 0.5x simply because the ratio is 1:0.5, right? And bond energy of xy will again be x, okay, because that is given in the question. Bond energy of xy is again the ratio is 1:0.5 into is to 1, right? So I am just going by the ratios. Okay, so this is bond energy, don't confuse it with the heat of formation. Now we know that we can write heat of formation in terms of bond energies. Okay, so heat of formation in terms of bond energies is simply bond energy of reactants minus bond energy of product. Okay, so bond energy of reactant, that means bond energy of this reactant, that is x. Okay, but it is half, so you need to multiply with the coefficient. So this will be simply x by 2 plus y. For y it is 0.5 x, again coefficient is half, so I will take half here. So this is combined is bond energy of reactant minus bond energy of product is again x. So here 1 is there, so I will simply write x here. Okay, and this is equal to 200 minus 200 kilojoules per mole, that is given in the question, right? So I can write minus 200 kilojoules per mole is equal to x plus 0.5 x minus 2x divided by 2, right? Okay, so that means minus 400 kilojoules per mole is what? 0.5 x minus of 0.5 x. So this minus and minus got cancelled and x came out to be 800 kilojoule per mole, right? 800 kilojoule per mole. So that means bond dissociation energy of x2 is nothing but 800 kilojoule per mole. That is your first option that is given in the question. So option number 1 is the correct option.
Explore more about the topics you love with Toppr. Subscribe now and keep learning.